Hello everyone, my name is Chris Amor and my student ID is 33250025, and right now I want to presentation about gender formation with suffixes. Let's talk about it. So, what is gender formation with suffixes? Gender formation using suffixes means adding endings like s, ed, and trix in English, or a in Spanish or Slavic, to masculine base words like actor or host to make feminine forms such as actress or hostess. This shows how language shows differences between sexes and genders, often treating male as the usual or standard form. So let's talk about how gender suffixes change the meaning of the base word. I have 5 examples, and let's talk about the first example. First example is actor and actress. The word actor is the original form that means someone who performs in plays, movies, or TV shows. To create the feminine version, the suffix s is added to actor, making it actress. The suffix shows the gender, meaning actress refers to a female performer. In this pair, actor is for males and actress is for females. Both words have the same basic meaning, which is someone who acts, but the s ending tells us the gender. So this is an example of a masculine-feminine word pair. And the second one is waiter and waitress. The word waiter means a person who works in a restaurant and serves food and drinks. When you add the suffix is to waiter, it becomes waitress, which is used to describe a female server. This is an example of a suffix being added to a word to create a new one. In terms of gender, waiter is used for males and waitress is used for females. The meaning of the word stays the same, but the suffix shows the person's gender. This shows how words can change to reflect gender differences in their form. The next is host and hostess. The word host is a noun that describes a person who receives, welcomes, or entertains guests. When you add the suffix s to host, it becomes hostess, which is the feminine form. This process of adding a suffix is called suffixation, and it helps create a noun that is specific to a particular gender. In this case, host is considered masculine, while hostess is feminine. Even though both words mean the same thing in terms of their role, suffix s clearly shows the gender. So this is an example of a masculine-feminine pair of words. For the last example, let's talk about hero and heroine. The word hero describes someone who is admired for being brave, courageous, or having good qualities. The word heroine is formed by adding the suffix "in" to the word hero. The suffix helps show that the word refers to a woman. In terms of word structure, hero is used for man and heroine for woman. Even though both words mean the same thing, the suffix "in" shows that the person is a female. This example shows that in English, besides the suffix "is" and the suffix "in", can also be used to indicate gender. And so this is the journal that I used to make this presentation. You can check this out. And thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys can understand.